Hello my dear students. സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസിലെ വൺ വേർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് മീഡിയം കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോ ആണ് ഞാൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇപ്പോൾ കാണാതെ പഠിക്കാനൊന്നും സമയമില്ല. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളത് ജസ്റ്റ് നോക്കി വെച്ചാൽ മതി കേട്ടോ. First, revolutions that influenced the world. Which was the slogan that thundered along different parts of North America? No taxation without a representation. Who framed the slogan no taxation without representation? James Otis. Everyone has some fundamental rights. No government has the right to suspend them. Whose statement was this? John Locke. There is something absurd in supposing a continent, North America, be perpetually governed by a foreign power, England. Whose statement was this? Thomas Paine. In which year the First Continental Congress held? 1774. First Continental Congress held at Philadelphia. In which year the Second Continental Congress held? 1775. Second Continental Congress held at Philadelphia. Who wrote the pamphlet Common Sense? Thomas Paine. In which year the American Continental Congress issued the famous Declaration of Independence? 1776. Who was the Russian emperor during the period of revolution? Nicholas II. Who was the chairman of the cabinet formed after the Russian Revolution? Lenin. Ni Struggle and Freedom in the chapter. The struggle of indigo farmers in Champaran, 1917. Ahmedabad cotton mill strike, 1918. Peasant struggle in Kedah, 1918. Which was the act that passed by the British Parliament in 1919 in the pretext of preventing extremist activities? Rowlatt Act. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, 1919. Name the army chief officer who was responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. General Dyer. If the Battle of Plassey laid the foundation for the British rule, Jallianwala Bagh shook the foundation. Whose statement is it? Gandhiji. Who are the leaders of Khilafat movement? Maulana Muhammad Ali, Maulana Shaukat Ali. What was the incident that caused the withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji? Chauri Chaura incident. Was the chairman of the Lahore session of the International Congress held in 1929? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Congress session declared that the ultimate aim of Indian freedom struggle was to attain complete freedom, Purna Swaraj, for the country? Lahore session of 1929. Which was the last popular protest organized by the International Congress under the leadership of Gandhiji? The Quit India Movement, 1942. Which was the political party organized by Subhash Chandra Bose? Forward Bloc. Was the founder of International Army, INA? Rash Bihari Bose. International Army, INA, had a woman wing called Jhansi Regiment. Who was in charge of this regiment? Captain Lakshmi, a Keralite. In India after independence, the Department of States was formed under the leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for the formation of the integration of princely state. Who was the Secretary of the Department of States? V.P. Menon. In which year Pondicherry became part of Indian Union? 1954. In which year Goa became part of Indian Union? 1961. Who was the head of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and Indian Atomic Energy Commission? H.J. Baba. Indian National Committee for Space Research, 1962. Indian Space Research Organization, 1969. Which was the first rocket launching station in India? Tumba, Thiruvananthapuram. Which was the first satellite launched by India? Aryabhatta, 1975. Name the first lunar mission of India? Chandrayaan. Name the space mission of India to Mars? Mangalyaan. Who was the chief architect of foreign policy of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. In which year the Panchasheel principles are signed by India and China? 1954. ഇനി പബ്ലിക് അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേഷൻ എന്ന ചാപ്റ്ററാണ്. പബ്ലിക് അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേഷൻ ഈസ് കൺസേൺഡ് വിത്ത് ദി അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേഷൻ ഓഫ് ദി ഗവൺമെൻറ്. വൂസ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് ഈസ് ദിസ്? എൻ ഗ്ലാഡൻ. Candidates to all India service and central service are recruited by Union Public Service Commission, UPSC. The chairman and the members of UPSC are appointed by President of India. Candidates to state service are recruited by Public Service Commission, PSC. The chairman and the members of PSC are appointed by Governor. Statement of APJ Abdul Kalam, 61. അത് നോക്കിയാൽ മതി കേട്ടോ. APJ Abdul Kalamൻ്റെ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് പബ്ലിക് അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേഷനിൽ. അടുത്തത് ദി എഫേർട്സ് ഓഫ് മസ്ദൂർ കിസാൻ ശക്തി സംഗതൻ ഓഫ് രാജസ്ഥാൻ ഹാസ് ലെഡ് ടു ദി ലെജിസ്ലേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഡാഷ് Right to Information Act 2005, which is the institution constituted in the national level to prevent corruption and administrative, bureaucratic and political levels, Lokpal. Which is the institution constituted in the state level to prevent corruption at administrative, bureaucratic and political level, Logayukta. Which is the institution constituted in the central level to prevent corruption in the central government offices, Central Vigilance Commission. Which is the institution constituted in the state level to prevent corruption in the state government offices, State Vigilance Commission. In which year Central Vigilance Commission is constituted? 1964. ഇനി സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസിലെ ജോഗ്രഫി പാർട്ട് നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ചാപ്റ്റർ സീസൺസ് ആൻഡ് ടൈം ആണ്. അതിൽ ഓൺവേർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. ടിൽറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദി എർത്ത് ആക്സിസ് 23.5 degree. Name of the 0 degree latitude, equator. Name of the 23.5 degree north latitude, Tropic of Cancer. Name of the 23.5 degree south latitude, Tropic of Capricorn. In which dates the apparent position of the sun will be over equator, March 21 and September 23. In which date the apparent position of sun will be over Tropic of Cancer, June 21. In which date the apparent position of sun will be over Tropic of Capricorn, December 22. The northward apparent movement of the sun from Tropic of Capricorn to Tropic of Cancer is termed as Uttarayana. The southward apparent movement of the sun from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn as termed as Dakshinayana. Time that based on the position of the sun is known as dash, local time. Name the longitude that passes almost through the middle of a country, standard meridian. Time that based on the standard meridian of a country is known as standard time. Name of the 0 degree longitude, Greenwich line. What is the time difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich time? 5.5 hours. Which longitude is considered as the standard meridian of India? 82.5 degree east longitude. Name of the 180 degree longitude, International Date Line. Which is the basic line for calculating time? Greenwich line. Which is the basic line for calculating the International Date Line? ഇനി ഇന്ത്യ ദി ലാൻഡ് ഓഫ് ഡൈവേഴ്സിറ്റി എന്ന ചാപ്റ്ററിലെ ഓൺവേർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. വിച്ച് ഈസ് ദി ഹയസ്റ്റ് മൗണ്ടൻ പീക്ക് ഇൻ വേൾഡ്? മൗണ്ട് എവറസ്റ്റ്. വിച്ച് ഈസ് ദി സെക്കൻഡ് ഹയസ്റ്റ് മൗണ്ടൻ പീക്ക് ഇൻ ദി വേൾഡ്? മൗണ്ട് K2, Godwin Austen. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Mount K2, Godwin Austen. Which is the second highest mountain peak in India? Kanchenjunga. What name is given to the valleys seen in Sivalik Range dunes? Which place of India receives the highest rainfall? Cherrapunji. Which place in India in the world receives the highest rainfall? Cherrapunji. Which is the largest tea producing state in India? Assam. Which physiographical division is known as the Granary of India? Northern Great Plains. Which physiographical division is known as the storehouse of minerals? Peninsular Plateau. Which soil is more suitable for cotton cultivation? Black cotton soil. Which content gives color to the red soil? Iron. Which is the largest river in peninsular India? South India, Godavari. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Jog Falls. Which is the capital of Lakshadweep? Kavaratti. Which is the capital of Andaman Nicobar Island? Port Blair. Which is the only known volcano in India? Barron. Which place is considered as the southern tip of India? Indira Point. Which is the largest desert in India? Thar. Which is the hottest place in India? Jaisalmer. In Human Resource Development എന്ന ചാപ്റ്ററിൽ the branch of social science that analyzes the population, the changes in its size, in structural aspects is called demography. Name the office which is responsible for the census activities in India. Office of the Population Registrar General and Census Commissioner. Which is the project that ensure integrated development of children up to 6 years? Integrated Child Development Scheme, ICDS. Which is the project that to ensure universal education to all up to higher secondary level? Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, SSA. Which is the project that to increase the access to higher education? Rashtriya Uchchata Shiksha Abhiyan, RUSA. Which is the project that to improve the working skill of youth? National Skill Development Monetary Reward Scheme. Which is the mission that function to make available quality health service to all in rural sector? The National Rural Health Mission, NRHM. Which is the mission that function to make available quality health service to all in urban sector? National Urban Health Mission, NUHM. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ലൊരു വിജയം ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായാൽ മാക്സിമം ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.